Hello everyone, I'm James William, and welcome to Go Natural English. Today, I want to address a question that often comes up from my students. What is the difference between I'd like and I want? While these two phrases may seem similar, they actually have distinct nuances and uses in different situations. So, in today's lesson, we're going to dive deep into their meanings, differences, and proper usage. Understanding the basics. Let's begin with I'd like. This phrase is a softer, more polite way of expressing a desire. On the other hand, I want is much more direct and assertive. To illustrate this, think about a military environment. Imagine a drill sergeant commanding a soldier. Would he say, "I'd like you to give me 100 push-ups, please"? Absolutely not. Instead, he would use the more forceful phrase, "I want you to give me 100 push-ups right now." This makes it clear that I want is stronger and more commanding. However, in a different scenario, such as ordering food at a restaurant, being polite is preferred. You wouldn't look at the waiter and say, "I want a cheeseburger." Instead, you'd say, "I'd like a cheeseburger, please." It sounds more respectful and appropriate. Differences in usage. Beyond politeness, these phrases also differ in their level of certainty. Expressing tentative versus definite plans. I'd like to go camping next weekend. This sounds like an idea or something you're considering, but it's not definite yet. I want to travel to Brazil this winter. This expresses a stronger intention and commitment to the plan. Expressing wishes versus strong desires. I'd like to climb Mount Kilimanjaro someday. This suggests a dream or something you aspire to do but haven't necessarily planned yet. I want to climb Mount Kilimanjaro. This sounds more determined, as if you're actively working toward making it happen. Interacting with people. I'd like to get to know you. This is a polite and gentle way of expressing interest in someone. I want you. This has a completely different meaning. It conveys a much stronger desire, whether romantically or emotionally. When to use each phrase. If you're ever unsure about which phrase to use, a good general rule is: use I'd like when you want to sound polite, tentative, or respectful. Use I want when you need to be direct, strong, or assertive. That said, in many situations, both phrases can be interchangeable. For example, when talking about personal goals, saying "I'd like to learn Spanish" and "I want to learn Spanish" both work, but the second one sounds more determined. Final thoughts. I hope this lesson has clarified the subtle differences between I'd like and I want. Remember, language is all about context, so think about the tone, politeness, and strength of your message before choosing which one to use. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out. Also, don't forget to check out my website, gonaturallenglish.com, for more learning resources. I also have full courses available on Udemy, where you can dive even deeper into English fluency. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next Wednesday with another useful lesson. Take care and keep practicing.